Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about green card holders and probate. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. Okay. Green card holders and probate. This was a question that I have not been asked before, to be honest, but a potential client asked me it today. And typically, if one person has this question, then many people have this question. And she also told me that she read an article somewhere about this, or she talked to somebody about this. So we might as well get some additional information out there in the world that is actually correct, okay? The basis of this person's question was essentially, she is a green card holder. She's married to a U.S. citizen. They have children together. And she was wanting to know, or she was concerned that if her spouse died, that she would not get the things that she and her spouse wanted her to get, like via probate. Just sort of in the transfer of assets from one spouse to another, from a U.S. citizen to a green card holder, she was concerned. Now, to get to the end at the beginning, there really are very, very little concerns when it comes to probate laws and green card holders in particular, okay? You're basically just treated the same. If you are married and someone dies, you just look at what are called the intestate statutes, at least in Washington State, to see where the property goes. And all community property is going to go to the spouse first. Okay, so if you don't have a will, it's going to go to the spouse first. Doesn't matter if you're a green card holder, doesn't matter, okay? Where it's going to go is to the spouse. Now, there are some differences with regard to estate tax limits and transfers on property. Namely, there is no unlimited marital exemption from a non-citizen spouse to a citizen spouse, I believe, okay? I should have fact-checked this before I got on here. 99% sure that that's the way that it works. So when, and here's why. Because when the government just wants to make sure that they get paid. So in actuality, I believe it goes the other way. So a U.S. citizen does not have an unlimited marital exemption to a non-U.S. citizen. The reason being, they don't want all of these assets to be transferred to the non-citizen spouse, and then the non-citizen spouse leaves the country, and the U.S. misses out on some potential estate taxes, okay? So unless you are of significant wealth, significant assets, you don't really need to worry too much about anything related to probate, to the transfer of assets, or any of that kind of stuff if you are a green card holder. For all intents and purposes, you are just treated like a U.S. citizen when it comes to the transfer of property. Who gets what and in what order. If you're a spouse, you're just in the order of spouses in the intestate succession statutes. That's just how it goes, okay? So that is basically the answer to the question. And then even more generally, green card holders have the same estate tax exemptions that U.S. citizens have. There just is no marital exemption if you are a non-U.S. citizen, okay? That's the only thing that you need to know about. But that's it. So hopefully this is a shorty, but a goodie. I know that this is a question that a lot of people have. Hopefully this answered your question. If it did, wonderful. Maybe hit the like button. If you're someplace, you can hit the like button. If you are someplace, you can subscribe and you don't want to miss future episodes, hit the subscribe button. If you know someone needs to hear this, share it with them. If you know someone that might be interested in estate planning in general, share it with them. And if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to cmslawfirm.com. All right, that is it. As always, I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon. See ya.